cleaner pumpkins are quick to make, so you can make a whole batch to decorate a mantle or a Halloween party table. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need 8 orange pipe cleaners, 1 green pipe cleaner, a pencil, and fingernail clippers. The first step in making your pumpkin is to gather together all 8 of your orange pipe cleaners evenly at the bottom, and then just twist those ends together all the way to the top so they're nice and secure. Then you're going to spread out each of the pipe cleaners evenly. So it looks like a giant spider. Next, we're going to use a pencil or a pen to curl up each pipe cleaner toward the center. You're going to leave a little bit at the top, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Hold it on to your pencil and then coil the pipe cleaner down, one coil right next to the other as if you're making a spring. Okay, and get it right up to the bottom there. Take the pencil out and then adjust the spring to stay in place and bend that little top piece so it's straight up. Once you're finished with that, clip a green pipe cleaner in half. I use fingernail clippers so that they don't dull my scissors. And you're going to gather each of the pipe cleaners to the top of the pumpkin. And you can sort of bend those springs outward as you go along to make it easier. Okay, doesn't look like too much yet, but we will make it look like a pumpkin shortly. So with your green pipe cleaner, you can make a little bend in it to make it easier. Put it down at the base of those tails, making sure to keep them tightly bundled together, and wrap it around to connect them. Then you're going to continue up, making a spiral to make the stem of the pumpkin. With the little tail end, you can shape it into a leaf, or what I like to do is twirl it up with the pencil. So what you're going to do now is shape it into a ball so it resembles a pumpkin. And how you do that, there's no real trick to it. It's just to pull those springs out into more of a round shape. And just keep making adjustments until it looks about right. And you're finished. Be sure and subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts.